Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the TV has Chromecast or a plugged-in Chromecast dongle, then power it on. Now, on your phone or laptop, make sure Wi-Fi is on and that both devices are on the exact same network. This is why Discovery works. Once done, open the streaming app or Chrome browser and look for the cast icon. Tap the icon to start pairing. You'll see device names, so pick your TV. This gets us into the first active connection step quickly. Once you've selected the TV, content should start almost instantly. You'll see the app hand playback to the Chromecast device, which streams directly from the internet for smoother performance. Make sure to use the app's player controls or the Google Home app to adjust volume and stop casting. This is why the phone acts like a remote. If you're casting a Chrome tab, select Sources Cast tab so audio and video stay synced. If frame rate or resolution looks off, check the app's quality settings. When you're done, stop casting from the app by tapping the cast icon and choosing Stop Casting. You can also disconnect from the Google Home app. If the TV does not appear, reboot your router, restart both the TV and your casting device, then try again. This resolves most Discovery problems. For choppy playback, move devices closer to the router or switch to the 5 GHz band, close bandwidth-hungry apps, and reduce streaming quality. Remember, reboots and same network rules fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.